Yo, what's happening, my people? So beautiful way to start off the week with a good old unboxing. So that's always great. Man, I just was in the backyard. They had a bunch of shingles and stuff that was on the ground from the storm. I was picking it up. Man, under every big piece of shingle, there was an ant pile. And they lit my ass up. Anyways, on the positive things, this is a big old box right here. God damn. So this is an eBay unboxing. Crack into it, let you see. I think I know what this is. I know what this is. I know what I've ordered. I didn't think these were coming today. I thought something else was coming today. But see these? Let's get it. Let's get it. So I thought they was gonna come in a different box. I thought they were gonna come in a different box, so I'm kind of upset about that. But see what these are. Jordan. This is in a Jordan 6 box, but this isn't a Jordan 6. I was expecting a different box, but I think I got the shoe. So man, this is gonna mess my thumbnail up. I thought my thumbnail was gonna be different because I thought I was gonna have the shoe, but I do have this. They better have. I hope they have the other laces, man. That's why I want them to put the other laces. I'm gonna have to get some. I don't think they in here. Damn. Boy, that's what happened when you mess around with eBay, boy. These are supposed to be like new. I could have swore I seen the box in the picture and everything. But I do have these shoes, and I only paid like $1 for them. I think these either retail for $225 or $250 whenever they drop. So she did right there. And I have always hated 7s. 7s, I always thought they were atrocious. But I don't know, something just made me. I was just glancing across, and I don't know, I came across these, and I looked. I was like, I seen some pink laces on them. I was like, I like that. I seen the little hits of pink. I don't know why I've been crazy about pink lately, man. Maybe I'm missing women since quarantine and stuff, man. But yeah. And then this material on here, yes, this is very interesting. So these are the Hare 2.0s, and that is interesting right there. Got that furry type material. I don't know what this is made out of. I don't think it's made out of rabbit, but let's go with that. It looked like it could be some rat. It's probably cow or something, but we're gonna go with some rabbit. So you see the classic 7. Got the pink tongue, little hits of pink on this side, and hits of pink right there with the Jumpman. A little bit of red with the Jordan Air Jordan. A little cross colors with the back, with their 2-3. Their sole, look like they were wore a few times. Got that milky sole with a little bit of cross colors action. Got these numbers. I don't know what that means, but they have that. I guess it's kind of like the stamps that they be having inside the box. Maybe that's it. Some more pink hits in the inside, and with their cross colors joint in the inside as well. I don't know. Let's see if man, that's pretty much it. I was gonna troll. I was gonna be like Jordan Hare 2.0s, but wasn't gonna say which ones. It was gonna be either the 6s or these. That was gonna be my thumbnail. But I don't have that box, so I can't use that thumbnails. I guess I just show the shoe. But I'm happy to have these. I wish I would have had the box, and I wish I would have had the laces. Now I'm gonna have to buy some more laces. I have have one pair of pink laces, but I'm not gonna. Those come from a Travis Scott box, and I have one pair of laces on the shoe and one free pair, and so I'm not gonna put one. I want to put two. So I guess I'm gonna have to order some pink laces, but I do want the pink laces on these. Oh well, but nice little unboxing, man. Little something to start the week off. Not exactly how I wanted. Not exactly happy as I wanted to be. I thought I was gonna be a little happier, but I'm cool, man. I'm cool. A little something. So I guess these were gonna be like something that was gonna be like probably stash in the box, pull them out every blue moon. But since I don't have the box and everything, I think these are gonna be like some casual shoes. Even though they're $250 shoe, I didn't pay that. But I'm probably gonna wear these whenever shoes don't satisfy me all the way. I'll wear them a lot. Or if it's something that don't have the box or they just laying around, like something like this, like I don't have the box for them, got that off Mercari or something. I just wear them, go to the store, or just wear them any old time. So that's kind of how I do my shoes. And since these aren't exactly, I'm probably gonna wear these more casually than I would have. But like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest and the most hated. Man, I ain't even doing it on foot. But happy to have a video. Happy to have some shoes. The feedback will reflect this. But peace out.